Hi everybody, welcome to my channel Rosie Cooks. I made this beef enchilada pasta and it came out super good and it's really easy. So let me show you how I made it. Okay, I have a hot skillet. I sprayed it with a non-stick cooking spray. This is 1 pound of ground beef and I'm going to break it up. Now at some point you're going to want to drain your beef if you need to. I like to use a napkin and just soak it up like this. Now I have half of an onion. This is a small onion. And 1 garlic clove, minced. So now we're going to cook all this together. I'm going to cook this for 2 minutes. Now the recipe says to add 3 tablespoons of a basic taco seasoning. And I'm going to mix that in. This is 20 ounces of enchilada sauce. It's a big can. Just any enchilada sauce. Now I'm adding 2 cups of beef broth. Let's mix that together. Now you're going to get 16 ounces or so of pasta. I found these at Home Goods. Add those. Make sure they're submerged. So now I'm going to cover this and it's going to come up to a boil. I'm going to cook this until my pasta is completely cooked. And I have this on a medium heat. So here's my beef pasta. I'm telling you, it has really good flavor. Look at that. Wow. So according to the recipe, you're supposed to add 1.5 cups of Monterey Jack cheese. I like cheddar cheese better in a recipe like this. But I'm not going to add it in because there are certain people in my family who just can't eat cheese. Lactose intolerant. So I'm going to put it on my plate and I'm going to add some cheese on top. Let's plate it up. So here we go. Now you just add your favorite cheese. And then we're going to let it melt. All melted. Then you add a little bit of green. Just have to. Little bit of green. And look at this, you guys. Isn't this gorgeous? This is really a tasty, easy meal. Look at that. All that cheese. This is really tasty. Here we go, you guys. Look at this. It's very tasty. It has a little kick depending on what brand enchilada sauce you get, but it's very tasty. It's good. Really good. My son really liked this. And he's the one who can't eat any cheese. But I like it with the cheese. So this is beef enchilada pasta. Yummy. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe. And I'll see you next time.